ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 17 Maximum and Minimum Values in Queries. Max and min are summary calculations showing the maximum and minimum values of specified fields for all selected records. A range of the highest and lowest values in a table can be displayed using the top values property. Okay, so let's go back to the query we were using at the end of last lesson, which was lesson 16, and place the fields location and price on the query grid. Add the price field again as a third column. Change the total box for the first price column to max, and the second one to min. Run the query. The results table will contain the maximum and minimum prices in each location. Let's switch to Design View and click the Totals button to remove the total row from the grid. Remove one of the price columns and add the address field to the grid. For the price field, define an ascending sort. So in the sort row, ascending. From the Design tab in the Query Setup group, you'll see the word All next to the text Return. Select 5 in the Top Values drop-down box. If we now run the query, premises with the 5 lowest prices will be displayed. Switch to Design View and change the price field to descending. Select or enter 25% in the Top Values drop-down box and then run the query. The top 25% of records, that's 10 records out of the 40, in order of price will be displayed. Okay, let's switch to Design View again and select All in the Top Values drop-down box. At that point, close the query without saving and then close the database. Okay, so we've looked at max and min and also top values. And in the next lesson, lesson 18, we're going to go a little deeper. We're going to investigate calculated fields within queries. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.